Blockchain. You've probably heard this term thrown around a lot lately, but what exactly is it? Sounds like something from a science fiction movie, right? Well, it does have a futuristic vibe, but it's very much a part of our present reality. It's actually simpler than it sounds. At its core, blockchain is a way to record and verify transactions in a secure and transparent manner. Imagine a giant digital ledger. This ledger isn't stored in one place but is distributed across many computers. This ledger is shared across a network of computers, making it decentralized. No single entity has control over the entire network. Every time someone makes a transaction, it gets recorded in a new block of information. Think of it as adding a new page to a book. These blocks get chained together, creating a permanent and transparent record of every transaction. This chain of blocks is what we call a blockchain. This makes it incredibly secure. Each block is linked to the one before it and the one after it, making it nearly impossible to alter any single block without changing the entire chain. It's like trying to change your grades after your teacher already added them to the official school record. Good luck with that. Blockchain ensures that once data is recorded, it cannot be tampered with, providing a high level of trust and security. Now let's talk about tokens. Think of tokens like chips in a casino. They represent value within the blockchain ecosystem. Just like you can use chips to play games and win more chips, you can use tokens to participate in various blockchain activities. These activities can range from trading on cryptocurrency exchanges to accessing exclusive features within a decentralized application, or dApp. Some tokens even grant you voting rights in the governance of the blockchain project. One popular way to earn rewards in the blockchain world is through staking. Imagine you're a farmer and you want to grow more crops. You plant your seeds, or your tokens, in the ground, which is a staking pool. By staking your tokens, you're essentially helping to secure the network and validate transactions. In return for your contribution, you earn rewards in the form of more tokens. It's like earning interest on your savings account, but with potentially much higher returns. Section 4. Airdrops and mining free money or fool's gold. Ever heard of free money falling from the sky? Imagine standing in a field with dollar bills fluttering down like autumn leaves. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's kind of what airdrops are in the blockchain world. Airdrops are a fascinating phenomenon where digital tokens are distributed freely to a large number of wallet addresses. It's like a digital rain of cryptocurrency. Projects will sometimes distribute free tokens to their users, either as a promotional tactic or as a way to reward early adopters. These tokens can be used within the project's ecosystem or traded on various exchanges. Then there's mining, which is like the Wild West of blockchain rewards. Mining involves a competitive process where individuals use their computing power to solve complex mathematical problems. It involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are not just any problems, they are cryptographic puzzles that require significant computational effort. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block to the chain and earns a reward in tokens. This process is crucial for maintaining the integrity and security of the blockchain. However, mining can be expensive and energy-intensive, so it's not for the faint of heart. The cost of electricity and the need for specialized hardware can make it a daunting endeavor. But for those who succeed, the rewards can be substantial. Both airdrops and mining have their own sets of challenges and rewards. While airdrops can be seen as a marketing strategy to create buzz and attract users, mining is more about securing the network and earning tokens through effort and investment. So, is it free money or fool's gold? It depends on your perspective and involvement. For some, it's an exciting opportunity to be part of a revolutionary technology. For others, it might seem like a risky venture with uncertain returns. The key is to stay informed and understand the risks and rewards involved. Section 5. Real-world rewards, blockchain projects putting money where their code is. Let's look at some real-world examples. Brave Browser rewards users with BT tokens for viewing privacy-respecting ads. These tokens can then be used to tip content creators or redeem rewards from partner brands. Another example is Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game that allows players to earn cryptocurrency by breeding, battling, and trading digital pets called Axies. These rewards can be cashed out for real-world money, providing a source of income for players. Section 6. The future of rewards. Blockchain's potential to change the game. Blockchain technology is still in its early stages, but the potential for innovative reward mechanisms is vast. This revolutionary technology is not just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's about creating a decentralized system where trust and transparency are paramount. Imagine a digital ledger that records every transaction securely and immutably, making fraud nearly impossible. Imagine a world where you earn tokens for completing online surveys, watching educational videos, or engaging with digital content. These tokens could then be exchanged for real-world goods or services, creating a new economy driven by participation and engagement. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a very real possibility that blockchain technology can bring to life, or even just walking your dog. With blockchain, your daily activities could be tracked and rewarded in a secure and transparent manner. Fitness apps could reward you for staying active, and these rewards could be used in various ways, from discounts on products to donations to your favorite charity. As more businesses and individuals embrace blockchain, we can expect to see a surge in creative and rewarding applications that benefit everyone involved. Companies could develop loyalty programs that are more engaging and transparent, while individuals could find new ways to earn and spend their digital tokens. The possibilities are endless, and the impact could be profound. So buckle up, because the future of blockchain is bright, and it's full of potential rewards. Whether you're a business looking to innovate or an individual seeking new opportunities, blockchain technology offers a promising path forward. The journey is just beginning, and the rewards are waiting to be unlocked.